Hey everyone, welcome to my first video here talking about high protein, low carb waffles. I'm going to use a cup of almond flour, and a half teaspoon of salt. I don't use spoons always. It's pretty easy for me to measure. And then you're going to need about a teaspoon of baking powder. And then just a fork or a whisk, whatever you got. Mix up the dry ingredients. And then a half cup of Greek yogurt. You can make your own, but today I just use some store-bought. A half teaspoon of vanilla. Again, I just kind of eyeball that. And 3 eggs. And a tablespoon of oil. This is olive. You could use butter, coconut oil, whatever. Mix until smooth. It's going to be kind of a thin batter. It can be made into pancakes, or you can put it on a waffle iron. About a half cup of batter per waffle. And these guys are awesome. I like to cook up the whole batch and then crisp them up in the machine, the waffle iron, before eating them. Enjoy!